Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073D12. This says install the app or game. Before you can install this add-on, you'll need to install the app or game it works with. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So since this is a pretty generic error message, I'm just going to go through a couple of generic or broad options to explore first. First thing I would want to check for is making sure you are installing an expansion pack to the game you are currently working with on your computer. So make sure you have the game installed properly on your computer before attempting to install an expansion pack. And again, make sure the game is installed correctly. So if the game isn't installed, there's an issue with it, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling it. You may also want to check your hard drive space on your computer as well to make sure you have an adequate amount of storage availability. And you may want to consider saving it to an external hard drive as well, or if you're trying to save it to the wrong drive, that's certainly possible while you're running out of hard drive space. So a couple different ways on how you can go about that. Also make sure you have internet access. So if you went on a web browser, just make sure like Google and Wikipedia worked properly, because that could always be an issue potentially as well. And make sure your date and time settings are correct as well down your system tray. And if all that fails, we can also attempt to reset the Microsoft Store as well. So if you open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. Give it a moment here. And once that's done, it should relaunch the Microsoft Store and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.